Dhruvin, you have also worked and you have built spaces for India's most discerning people. And what is that one thing you have found in common?
So most of these 90% of them actually are knowing why they're spending on or investing in. Okay.
Okay.
These technologies are helping them as like adding value to them. They are not just spending in or to show off or to show to their circle that look, even I'm buying technology.
Okay.
They know what value it adds to them. So that is the most common thing that I see is when I'm doing a home of an HNI, he already knows why he wants the technology and how he wants it because he's already lived or seen a lifestyle like that.
And Dhruvin, expensive things always look cheap in bright lights. Explain that to someone who doesn't know about it or not thought about it.
So I love that question. What you're saying is, many people what they do now, you build the whole infrastructure, but the path or the road of the infrastructure to reach the destination is bad.
Right.
Okay. Similarly, what happens is now, example, I'll give you a beach. You go to a beach in 6 a.m. You'll love it. You go to a beach at 12 in the afternoon, you won't love it.
Right.
You go in the evening or night again, you love it. Why? Because the ambience. Okay. Same thing goes at home. Now look at your this setup only. The plants and all, because you have amazing lighting, it looks good. Okay. Similarly at homes, you buy expensive Italian marbles, you buy expensive curtain fabric, textured walls and all that. They do get highlighted or accentuated with good light. If you just have simple white, bright COB lights, जो चालू कर रहे हो, boom, 100% brightness, it kills the whole ambience.
Right. And I think the journey of experiencing any space starts from the moment actually you actually get you sorry, it also actually starts before you actually get introduced to that space, because it's not that you're reaching to that living room and then you're seeing the entire ambience. It starts from your main door itself.
Yeah.
Right. The journey starts from the back of the mind of a person who is actually traveling to your space. So you have to give that ambience, otherwise it is going to kill.
Totally right. So I'll give you a good idea, a good thought on this is we heavily invest in our experience centers. Now, why I'm telling you this is a client who's making a house of whatever crore rupees, he wants to experience what he's spending with me on
Okay.
the tech.
Right.
As soon as we have these large doors and as soon as I open the door and he steps in, the cove lights of my curtains, the bar lights, or my living ambience lights, he just enters like, wow, is this your house or your office or your experience center? So this is where we have got 50% of the work is done.
Okay.
Now, the experience.
Mm-hmm.
So do you like it bright? You just have one button and it's done bright. Or you are entering, on your way to your house, you have a phone. On the app, you just press your scene, whichever you want to activate. By the time you enter the home, that thing is done for you. So, that is why the most important part is that creating that ambience is what is your breakthrough moment entering the house.
How many experience center you have built so far?
So because many clients who living in maybe Thane will not come to suburbs or somewhere. So we have built experience centers in different locations. So we have 5 of them. We have one in Worli, I have one in Vileparla, we have one in Andheri, we have one in Tardeo. So all of these experience centers give access for them to select where they want to come. All our spaces are not compromised at all.
Okay.
We have the best in tech and we keep upgrading every year. So when client comes for experience, he is seeing a fresh new technology maybe every time or maybe every 6 months. I have clients who would come on day one and the day last before getting into the house to add on something or tweak something. He's like, oh, even I want this, I like this. So we have many experience centers for them to know what it is going to feel like when they get into that house.